Hello folks, I'm Rudra and today we're gonna create a research agent using Starships.ai. Let me show you how easy it is. I'm currently on the landing page. I'm gonna enter my Starship. Now you can see there is a chat input. You can tag different agents over here. If I click this symbol, I can see that there are two agents deployed on my Starship. Gaia, who is the agent creator, and Daedalus, who is the tool creator. Today we are gonna explore Gaia. I'm going to ask it to create a research agent. Just going to add please to be careful. And so Gaia is in the process of creating the agent. Is going to list the available models, is going to determine what the system prompt is going to look like. Then it's going to switch to the agent builder view and start creating the agent for you. You can see it getting updated as and when Gaia is editing it. There are different options. There's models, assign tools, system prompts. There are more. We can probably explore that later. Looks like Gaia has already created the research agent. I'm going to tag the research agent now. If I click the symbol, you can see the research agent's there. It's already tagged. So let's ask it, hi, what can you do? So right now, the agent Gaia has created does not have any tool, but it's just a profile. The expertise is that of a research agent, but the more tools we provide to this agent, the more value it can generate. How do we assign tools to this agent and how do we create tools to begin with? Well, there is Daedalus for that. We can explore that in the next video. Until then, thank you and have a good day.